Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about video marketing and what you should be doing in front of the camera in order to engage people and increase the size of your audience and hopefully turn your audience on social media into customers. The first thing we recommend to all of our clients is that you get your face in front of the camera. Now, not everybody wants to do this and we completely understand that. And if you're at that point and you'd like to start with video marketing content, but you're not ready to get in front of the camera, then all you need to do is watch this video here, because we're going to give you some tips as well as some software you can use that can help you produce video content without having to stand in front of that camera and hit record. However, if you are ready to start doing that, and that method of standing in front of the camera is the one that we recommend, then we want to give you a few tips now to make sure your video is as engaging as possible. The first thing we recommend you do is you invest in some kind of gimbal or tripod. And the reason for that is it's going to help you keep your content stable. Nobody likes video that's jumping around and is uncomfortable to watch. And unfortunately, when we hold our phone, that's quite often what happens. And the phone is the main way people are going to be recording this kind of video. So investing in a gimbal or a tripod is going to help you to stabilize that footage and make it more pleasant to watch. What it's also going to help you do is keep a constant distance between you and the camera, which again makes the content more engaging. The second thing for you to do is to consider getting a mic. We recommend a lav mic. These can cost as little as $10, going all the way up to $100. It really depends on how often you're going to be using it, but it will improve the quality of audio. And nobody enjoys watching a video where the audio is not good quality. If you know you're always going to be able to record in a quiet environment, you really don't need to worry about a lav mic. But if it's going to be noisy, I would definitely recommend considering a lav mic. It's something you can decide to do a few videos in if the audio is not as clear as you would like it. If you want to know what we recommend in terms of products for both gimbals and for lav mics, then check the description. You'll be able to find a few links and see if any of those fit your requirements or your budget. The next thing we recommend is that you're always investing in vertical video. Vertical video is what you need to be producing because you can use it on Facebook, you can use it on Instagram, you can use it on TikTok, you can use it on YouTube. If you want to have video the other way around, then it's worthwhile doing, but it's not going to be for those menu updates, location updates, or day-to-day information you want to pass on to your audience. You need to think about vertical video as disposable. You're going to record it quickly, share your information, and then move on. Initially, we recommend making your videos quite short, so somewhere between 20 to 40 seconds. Some of the platforms, obviously the videos need to be this short anyway, but keeping things short and sharp will make them more engaging to your audience. And as your audience grows and they want to know more about you, you can lengthen the video. And the last thing we recommend you do is to get some text on top of the video. Now, this can often be done within the platforms itself, but it's actually better to record on your phone, use a video editing software, and then put the text on top of the video and then upload it to multiple platforms, because then you're not repeating the process over and over again. Link again in the description if you want to find out which editor we recommend. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.